Today I've got to you something really special that is different, that is known but is different, okay? It's a straw, but a very special kind of straw. Look at the box to start with. The box is really cute and really nice, but the straw is different. The straw has little openings from down here, and this will prevent, if you do that, like let's say the green drink, and if you do drink the something that has little pieces, the bulb or whatever, this will prevent it from sucking into the straw and you drink it, so you will get the pure drink. All right, so the pure liquid drink without any funny things coming into your water or your liquid. And it comes in two colors, the golden and the silver, and also comes with the brush to clean it all the way inside. So I have prepared my tea, and I like to drink my tea not in the bag. I like to drink my tea the original way, okay? So I'm gonna be using my golden straw, and look at my tea. All right, so if I will be drinking my tea with a regular straw, I will be drinking all the tea leaves with it, which is not a cool feeling. Okay, so usually I would use something to take out the leaves, but now with this special kind of straw, I don't have to do that anymore. I can just drink it safely, and I don't have to take out the leaves before I drink my tea, and I can enjoy it. So this straw, you can use it for your green drink, you can use it for any kind of drink that has pieces inside of it, and you can enjoy your drink without having to take out the extra stuff. And I hope you enjoy your drinks, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Cheers. And on an extra note, these straws, I know they are used widely for people who drink yerba mate. So if you are a yerba mate drinker, these straws are also used for mate. So cheers for yerba mate drinkers. This little filter that's at the end is detachable, which is really cool. So you can basically use the straw without the filter, and you can use it with the filter. And this filter is like amazing for the mate, and is amazing also, like you can just remove it and clean it, you can wash it. Look at it, it's just like basically amazing. You can also install it on different kind of straws, and I love how tilted help you hold it, and it's not gonna slide when you're holding it. So, and this goes also for the golden filter and the golden straw as well. Look at it, it can pick up food as well if you want to eat.